Curb appeal is one of the most powerful elements of homeownership. It shapes first impressions, reflects pride in your property, and influences overall neighborhood aesthetics. While landscaping and exterior paint often get attention, windows are one of the most noticeable features on a home's facade. Upgrading to modern windows can dramatically transform how your home looks and feels from the street. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, modern windows offer a stylish and practical way to enhance curb appeal while improving performance. A clean, updated appearance. Older windows can show signs of wear such as fading, discoloration, chipped frames, or outdated designs. Even if the rest of your exterior is well maintained, worn windows can make the entire home look tired. Modern windows provide crisp lines, smooth finishes, and refined detailing. In Pompano Beach neighborhoods, this updated appearance immediately refreshes a home's exterior and creates a polished look. Enhancing architectural style. Windows play a major role in defining architectural character. The right style can highlight key design elements and improve overall balance. Whether your home features contemporary, coastal, or traditional architecture, modern windows in Pompano Beach can be customized to complement the design. Their versatility allows homeowners to maintain architectural integrity while adding a fresh, updated touch. Maximizing natural light from the outside. Large, well-designed windows brighten interior spaces, which is often visible from the exterior as well. Modern windows in Pompano Beach homes allow generous natural light inside, creating a welcoming glow that enhances the home's appearance. Bright interiors contribute to an inviting and vibrant exterior presence. Slimmer frames for a sleek look. Advancements in window design have made it possible to reduce frame bulk while increasing glass surface area. This streamlined appearance gives Pompano Beach homes a more contemporary feel. Larger glass panels create a sense of openness that stands out in any neighborhood. Coordinated color options. Modern windows are available in a range of finishes and colors that complement different siding materials and exterior palettes. Pompano Beach homeowners can choose frame colors that match trim, doors, or roofing elements. This coordination enhances visual harmony and strengthens overall curb appeal. Improved window symmetry. Consistency in window placement and style contributes to a balanced, attractive facade. Upgrading to matching modern windows across your home ensures uniformity. In Pompano Beach neighborhoods, this symmetry creates a more refined and thoughtfully designed exterior. Increased property value. Homes with updated windows often appear more well-maintained and move-in ready. Modern windows signal that the property has been cared for and upgraded. In Pompano Beach, this can positively influence property value and buyer interest. Low-maintenance beauty. Curb appeal should last beyond the initial upgrade. Modern windows are built with durable materials that resist common signs of aging. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from frames that maintain their finish and structural integrity over time. Framing outdoor views. Windows are not only viewed from the outside, they frame the outside world from within. Modern windows in Pompano Beach homes create attractive sightlines that enhance the relationship between interior and exterior spaces, adding both beauty and function. A smart upgrade for lasting impact. Enhancing curb appeal doesn't always require a major renovation. Sometimes, upgrading a single architectural feature can transform the entire home. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, modern windows provide a practical and stylish way to elevate exterior appearance. With sleek designs, customizable finishes, and long-lasting materials, modern windows enhance curb appeal while contributing to comfort and performance. The result is a home that stands out beautifully and confidently within the neighborhood, today and for years to come.